Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Everybody accepted this full stop. Gandhiji tried very hard to get the dominion status for India, but failed miserably, full stop. So, at the next meeting, the Bill of Complete Freedom (Purna Swaraj) was passed, full stop. Paragraph change on 23rd March, 1932. Shaheed Bhagat Singh was hanged, full stop. Bhagat Singh's martyrdom and the inability of the Congress leaders to save his life made Bose very angry, and in a sense, this made him realize that aggression was the best form of defense, full stop. Bose was arrested in 1931 for visiting the disturbed parts of Bengal, full stop. He was re-arrested on 2nd January, 1932 and subsequently exiled from India, full stop. In 1932, he went to Vienna, and there he was deeply influenced by Vithaldas Patel, another Indian freedom fighter, full stop. Paragraph change. They recognized the need for collaboration between Indian nationalists and countries opposed to Britain, and in their joint manifesto, they proclaimed, non-cooperation cannot be given up, but the form of non-cooperation will have to be changed into a more militant one, and the fight for freedom waged on all fronts, full stop, inverted comma, in October 1933, comma, Vitthal Das Patel died, full stop, paragraph change. After the death of Vitthal Das Patel, comma, Bose fought against the injustices, full stop. He organized Students' Association, full stop, in November 1934, comma, Bose published a book on Indian nationalism called, inverted comma, The Indian Struggle, inverted comma, full stop, during the period of 1932 to 36, comma, he met reputed personalities like Mussolini in Italy, comma, Felder in Germany, comma, De Valera in Ireland, and Roma Roland in France, full stop. Some reports suggest that he also met Hitler, comma, a meeting which provided no support to Netaji, full stop, the Irish nationalist leader De Valera in Dublin impressed him, full stop. He was arrested and was later released on 17th March, 1937, full stop, paragraph change. By that time, comma, Subhash Chandra Bose had become very famous, and Gandhiji proposed him to become the president of the Congress, full stop. In 1938, comma, he became the president of the Indian National Congress and presided over the Haripur session, comma, a post he held for 2 years, full stop. During the period, comma, he was honored at Shantiniketan by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore as inverted comma Desh Nayak inverted comma full stop stop.